بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Dear my students grade 8, inshallah ta'ala we are going to study together the second unit for the first term. The title of our new unit is Life Events. Life Events. So this is the title of our new unit, Life Events. Before we start here, we have a question. We want to answer this question. Mention some important life events. Who can tell me the answer for this question? I'd like you to tell me some important life events for you. Think of this one. Okay, here we have some ideas, like when I say driving alone for the first time, when I say graduating from school, when you graduate, when you finish your school, it's an important life event. Also receiving an award. When you receive an award, it is called an important life event. Enjoying a family vacation. When you go on holiday with your family, we can call it what? An important life event. Giving to others. When you share your things with others, give to others, this is called what? Life event. Also, most of us celebrate their birthdays. So when I say celebrating a birthday party, it's called what here? An important life event. Okay, would you like to have your own blog? Do you know the word blog? What does it mean? When I say the word blog here, it means a regularly website, and it is written in informal style. Blog, it's like a website. You write what happens to you daily or weekly or monthly and so on. So this is called what? Blog. The blog helps you to connect the world. Like you chat with other people, you can add your friends, you can email them, you can share what you like and so on. If you would like your voice to be heard, your images to be seen, and your thoughts and experiences to be read by your friends, what should you do? What should you do? That's right. Some students, they say what? You can create your own blog. You can create your own what? Blog. What does the word blog mean? We said the meaning of this word. It is a website where a writer or a group of writers chronologically express their opinion on a subject. So this is called what? Blog. So a blog is a regular record of your thoughts, opinions, or experiences that you put on the internet for other people to what? To read. That's right. So this is called what again? Excellent. This is called blog. The word blog led to other words like blogger and blogging. Blogger, this is the person who writes the blog. He is called what? Blogger. And the blogging, this is the activity itself. The act of creating and maintaining a blog, it's called what? Blogging. Blogging. Here we have the word led. Okay? Can you tell me some famous bloggers in Kuwait? Do you know? Or some famous bloggers in the world in general? These are some famous bloggers in Kuwait. Try to search and surf the internet for finding some famous bloggers. Okay, now here we are going to speak about the next word that we have. Who knows this example? All roads lead to Rome. All roads lead to Rome. What does this mean? That's right. It means that all paths lead to the same goal. All roads lead to Rome. Like when you want to do something, you can do many things to reach the goal. So I say what? All roads lead to Rome. So I say what? All roads lead to Rome. It means what? All paths lead to the same goal. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Lead. So this is called what? Lead. Next word, theme. Theme. Theme, the subject of a talk. To create your own blog, choose the theme you like most. You are going to write about what? Food, sports, cars, travel, and so on. So, based on the blog that you are going to choose, you have to create your own theme. Like this one, if you are going to write about food, you have to choose the theme that goes with food. So this is called what? Theme. We have other examples here. If you are going to write about cars, so try to choose a theme that is related to cars. If you are going to speak about travel, this one, when we are going to speak about painting or write about painting. Theme. So the word is called what? Theme. The main subject of a talk, book, film, and etc. Some bloggers provide followers information about some products. Provide. The word provide here means what? Who can say this one? That's right. Some students guess it correctly. It means give. So provide means give, means support. So this is called what? Provide. It's called what? Provide. Provide. To give someone something that they need. It's called what? The word? Provide. Provide. Let's revise the new vocabulary together. The first one is called what here? Lead. Lead. Do you remember the example that we have said? All roads lead to Rome. Lead. Theme. Theme. The subject of a talk. Yes, provide. Provide. Okay, now let's turn to our student book, page 21. Before we read here, I'd like you to think of these two questions. Have you visited any blogs before? Have you visited any blogs before? What have you read about? If you have visited any blogs, try to write down what have you read about. Like if you have visited any blogs about plants or sports. What have you read about? You read about what? Try to think of this question and write down some notes. Before we move here, we have some questions. What are the benefits of blogs? Why is it important to keep your password and username? Number 3, you have to find words in the passage that have the same meaning as photos. Find the word that is a synonym or equals or the same like photos, and the word the same like connect. And you are going to find the opposites of these words. Costly, log out. Costly, log out. And what's the main idea of the last paragraph? The last paragraph, this one. What's the main idea of this paragraph? What kinds of blogs do you like and why? Now time to read. Try to pause the video and read it. Then answer the questions. You have 2 minutes. Let's come back again. Now let's check the answers. Here we have the questions. What are the benefits of blogs? Who can tell me? Okay, they help us to get in touch with the world. We can communicate and share our culture with the world. So these are the advantages, or these are the benefits of blogs. These are the benefits of blogs. Why is it important to keep your password and username? Why is it important to keep them? That's right. It's important to keep your username and password to be able to log into your account. To log into your account, you have to keep them. Do not lose them. We want to find the meaning of these words in the passage. I want some words that they have the same meaning in the passage. Photos and connect. Yes, that's right. Some students say it correctly. Photos, it's a synonym for the word images. So the same meaning. So when I say photos, it's the same like what? Images. Connect. Excellent. It means communicate. Communicate. That's right. Let's move to number 4. So I would like you to find the opposites of these words in the passage. Costly, log out. Costly and log out. Costly, when I say it costs lots of money. What is the opposite of this one in the passage? Excellent. It means free. So when something is for free, it means what? It doesn't cost any money. Log out, most of us know this one. That's right. The opposite is what? Log in. Log in. Okay, here, this is the last paragraph. You have read it. What is the main idea of the last paragraph? What's the main idea? This paragraph, it speaks about what? Excellent. The importance of blogging. The importance of what? Blogging. And we can say the benefits of blogging. The benefits of blogging. The last question. What kinds of blogs do you like? Do you like blogs about sports, food, clothes, cars, and so on? And why? Why do you like these kinds of blogs? Now it's time to read. Let's read together. Would you like to have your own blog? Would you like to connect to the world? Would you like your voice to be heard, your images to be seen, and your thoughts and experiences to be read by your friends? How about creating your own blog? It is easy and free to create your own blog. WordPress uses easy steps for building blogs. First, let's have a quick look at the history of blogging. The term weblog was first used on December 17, 1997. Soon after, it was being used as both a noun and verb. These uses have led to new words like blogger and blogging. Steps for creating your own blog. Step number 1. Log into www.wordpress.com. Step number 2. Choose a theme. Many themes are available for free. Choose the theme you like most. It's easy to change themes later on. Step number 3. Choose a name for your blog. Think about the name of your blog. You can use your name. For example, you are going to write your name .wordpress.com, or choose any other name that you like. Step number 4. Choose your plan. Choose a free plan for your blog. This will help you get in touch with the world. There are free plans and paid plans. Okay, so you have free plans and paid plans. Step number 5. Create your account. Choose a username and password. It is important to keep your username and password to be able to log into your account. You need to provide your email address. Now you are ready to start connecting to the world. Blogging is a great way to communicate. You can post information about Kuwait to share our culture with the world. But it is very important not to post personal information or photos. It is also important to consider our Islamic values and traditions when posting on your blog. Okay, I'd like you in your notebook to mention the steps which are needed to create your own blog. Go back, watch the video again, and write the steps that you need to create your own blog. Thank you.